showed up here at the Braindump orientation not knowing anything about any of the stuff in that word cloud.
It was really wonderful listening to people here, just how excited they were.
I mean, every week you learn so much technical knowledge in all things related to IT.
We are the CAT, the Computer Action Team. We run IT for the College of Engineering and Computer Science. The Braindump is our apprentice-style volunteer training program. We donate our time to teach you everything about what we do, and in return, you start by contributing your time on our front lines and then ramp up from there.
You can join different teams, you can put time in, you can contribute, and just see what it's like. You don't have to commit tons of time to a team and specifically dive in. You can join a few teams, go to meetings, and kind of learn what they're all about.
Now, you only get one chance per year to join the Braindump. So you want to make sure you keep an eye out for the orientation that happens in early October.
You'll be observing other people solving hard technical problems, and being able to talk about the solutions to those problems.
When someone calls and says, well, what were they doing? We tell them, yeah, they ran the servers. They managed configuration management. They dealt with the users. They built these software packages. That is real world stuff, and that's the kind of resume fodder that you can't get from a class.
They did a systems interview, and I looked at it and I thought, all of the questions they were asking me, all of that was things that I already knew from the Braindump and from things that I had done at the CAT.
It is a place that does have awesome mentors, partly because it's been around so dang long, but partly because people love being in this group. They love the stuff that they're working on, and they love to share and learn together.
They've taught me how to teach myself and how to learn from other people and how to get excited about what it is that I need to learn. And that's something that you can't get from any book.
You stick around while previous CATs are still there, and so there's this really nice welcoming introduction into people that are in the same situation as you, even as as short as a year ago.
The people in the CAT are incredibly nice, incredibly helpful.
If I didn't know something, I always felt like I could ask someone and not feel embarrassed about it.
It does not matter how much you know, it is all about how much you want to know.
Where are my Portal players? How many of you guys play Portal or Portal 2? What's that little freaking thingy you walk on? What is? It's called the grid something. Okay, the aerial plate thing. So the aerial plate thing for me was the CAT, and I've had a very good career since I left the CAT.
You come to know previous CAT generations from as far back as 1991 when it started.
I know a cat who knows a cat who knows another cat who knows this person at this company that's currently hiring.
The CAT also gave me a social network. And when I say social network, I mean a social safety net.
Like, as much as I enjoy the learning, it's the people that keep bringing me back again and again.
The most positive effect of the CAT on me, though, aside from anything that it's done for my career, has been the friends that I meet here. So I still hang with these people weekly, almost like 10 years after my time in the Braindump.
The CAT integrates on-site hands-on training with teams and mentors, but also embraces remote styles of work and learning where appropriate. We want to make sure you get the chance to learn about what it takes to run and support the physical infrastructure of IT. So, if you are interested in joining the CAT, or just curious about what this is all about, please make sure that you make it to that annual orientation. We've got all the details on the Braindump website. Come check it out.